In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an account on Among Us. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you can click to open your Play Store in your devs. After doing that, you'll be able to check the official homepage of Play Store right here. You'll be able to check games, apps, books, and much more. But you just want to know how to make an account on Among Us. To do that, you can locate the search bar right here at the top. You can click there and search for Google Play Games. You can click to search for that. And after doing that, you'll be able to check all the results of your search. And as you can see, the Google Play Games app is right here, the second one. To create an account in Among Us, you need to download this app. If you swipe your screen to the bottom, you'll be able to see some information about the app. So, after download the app, the open button will appear right here in your screen. You can click there. So, after doing that, you'll be able to see the homepage of Google Play Games. So, you need to create your account. The create account button will appear on your screen and you'll be able to send your information to the app. So you have to put your email, create a password, send information and stuff like that to create your account. After confirm that and verify your account, you'll be able to see this screen right here, the same as mine. And you'll be able to see the homepage, library and profile. So if you go to the library, you'll be able to see all the games you have. If you go to your profile, you'll be able to check every information about your profile. So, to be faster, all you can do now is click in this icon right here, at the corner in the left side. If you click there, you'll be able to see the search bar. You can search for Among Us, and you'll be able to see all the results of your search. And as you can see, the Among Us icon is right here, is the first one. You can click there. So, after doing that, you'll be able to play the game with your account. You just need to click right here in the play button, and your account will be automatically in the game. So, until the moment I record this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. But if you join the game, if you not see that you're using your account right here, you can click in this tab right here, my account. And you just need to click right here in the account button. And you'll be able to see your account information right here. The sign in button will appear for you right here in this one, and you'll be able to make your login use your Google Play Games account. So, I hope I helped you in how to make an account on Among Us. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more info tips. Thank you for watching.